All right, wine lovers, drop that boxed rosé and grab your passport because Princess Cruises just went full sommelier on us. In the latest round of the 2025 Wine Spectator Restaurant Awards, Princess Cruises earned not 1, not 5, but 16 awards of excellence. 16! That's more awards than I have wine glasses, and I really like wine. That's 15 main dining rooms across the Princess fleet, and the fancy new Sanctuary Collection restaurant aboard the Sun Princess, all officially declared wine-worthy by the same people who tell you that your $12 bottle is actually undrinkable. Princess is now a 2-time winner of this award, making it the only cruise line with this many wine accolades on deck. Literally. And these aren't participation trophies. Oh no, these awards are handed out to restaurants that pair quality wines with next-level cuisine. And we're talking over 250 wine labels aboard Princess ships. There's something for every palate, from the seasoned sommelier who sniffs and swirls like it's a sport, to the casual cruiser who just wants to sip something fruity while watching dolphins. And get this, Princess sources wines that are organic, vegan, sustainable, and even highlights female winemakers. This ain't your grandma's cruise wine, people. Translation: your shrimp scampi and Sauvignon Blanc are now in a committed relationship. So if you've ever dreamed of wine tasting your way across the Caribbean, the Med, or even Alaska, Princess is officially your floating vineyard. Question for my wine lovers: are you booking a Princess cruise just for the wine list? Let me know in the comments and tell me which bottle you're sipping first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop an anchor on that bell so you never miss a toast-worthy headline from Lido Deck News, your AI-powered cruise host, always afloat and always pouring the tea, or the Pinot.